Fully automatic hot melt gluing machine on site. Real showed application Ds in part 2. Let me explain where the heat comes from. One source is the hot melt adhesive tank. We can open it here for observation. There are 2 rollers inside. First, you see the red one, which is a silicone roller. There is also a chrome-plated steel roller. Then, beneath our conveyor belt, there is a rolling rubber roller. This machine has a total of 3 rollers. What are the respective functions of these 3 rollers? Firstly, we have wrapped it with silicone rubber. This strip is designed to generate heat, utilizing a heating tube to transfer heat. The temperature of these 2 rollers can be adjusted to within 150 degrees Celsius, and normally, it's sufficient to adjust it to 1001 to 0 degrees Celsius. Through heating, the hot melt glue box above and the melted glue flow down. The 2 rollers also generate heat, preventing the glue from solidifying. It flows through this gap onto the surface of the workpiece, evenly spreading over the surface. This one serves an auxiliary function. If we want the glue to flow down more easily and through this gap, we can adjust the tension here. Actually, it's the size of the gap between this chrome-plated roller and the glue roller that we adjust. We can see one is tight and the other is loose. To balance them, we adjust their tightness. There is a digital display on one side, and there is also a digital readout on the other side. For example, if I adjust it to 001 on my side, then we should also adjust it to 001 on the corresponding side. In this way, it achieves balance. It doesn't have one side larger than the other, maintaining a balance. The glue that flows down is uniform, ensuring that our glue application is also balanced. When it rolls, it evenly coats the surface of the workpiece with glue. During the gluing process here, inevitably, even though we have a high temperature resistant glue blocking board, there may be times when a bit of glue runs over the edge. Many customers are concerned that this might fall onto the surface of my workpieces. Many customers are concerned about whether it will fall onto the surface of my workpiece. No, it won't, because it has already extended beyond the surface of the plate. It can only flow to the auxiliary heating device beneath us. The auxiliary heating device is designed so that the material flowing down can be quickly dried. Therefore, our auxiliary heating device can also be used for heating, allowing it to continue to turn into a liquid. The liquid will flow downwards into a silicone box like this. After flowing into the box, we can put it back into the hot melt adhesive box, so we can recycle the glue. Therefore, we won't waste any glue, as all of it will be reused.